Besides working with videos and color correction, you can also work around with the audio inside of Davinci Resolve. So to do that, you can go around onto the Fairlight page that you can access from the bottom over here, or you can go around over here on the top right here onto workspaces, and then you can go to switch to page, and from over here you can go around and select Fairlight option from over here as well. So once you go around onto the Fairlight, what happens is that you see controls for the audio. So here you can see that you have access to the media pool right here, where you can bring in audio clips and work around with them. You can access out different audio effects from the effects panel. You can go around onto the index option, where you can see the indexing as well. And you can go around onto the sound library to get access to sound library as well. Over here you can see that you have access to ADR, where you can go around and you can see that there's record and setup options over here. So over here on the left side you can go around and rearrange out the audio according to how you like, and over here on the left side you see all of the audio layers that may be there right here, just like this. You can go around and rewind or forward out the audio right here, and you can even see that record is an option. And here there's like automation that you can enable and disable as well. And here you can see that you can access out more options like fader, mute and pan right here by clicking on this. Over here on the bottom, you got the selection tool right here. Then you got the range selection mode and different modes right here, as you can see. You can go around and expand out the audio timeline over here by using the slider, and you can expand it out from the side just like this as well, as you can see. From on the right hand side, you can see that mixer is an option over here as well, where you can work around with the audio and the bus, as you can see right here. On the top here, you can see that you can work around with the mixer. You can enable and disable it from over here. Then on the top, you can see that you can enable and disable the meter right here. Then you can go around with the metadata and also access the inspector from over here. Over here, you can see the audio right here, and this is what you have. You can see a little video preview that your audio is associated with right here. And if you want to, let's say, for example, bring up the video, you can click on the floating window so that the video comes up over here as well. So if I were to go around under edit right here, this is the video, as you can see. So if I were to go around onto Fairlight, you can see there's a little video. And what you can do is you can pop this video out right here and then throw this in another screen of your choice by clicking and dragging it if you want as well, to have like better preview of what is happening to the videos. So you can go around, click on it again to bring it back there. So that is what you can do, and you can also enable out the previews, as you can see right here, and have other option. And we are going to now explore out a lot of these options to work around with the Fairlight page in upcoming lessons. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.